What's up, Wise Flyers? David here. Do American Express points expire? Short answer, no, they don't. Can you lose your American Express points? Short answer, yes, you can if you don't follow the instructions in this video. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to make sure you don't lose your Amex points. So the rule with Amex is as long as you have one American Express membership reward point earning card open, your points will never expire. As long as you have that card open, your points will not expire. And here's a list of the American Express membership reward point earning cards to keep your points alive. The green card currently is not available for application, but honestly, when they do the revamp and launch the green card, I'm not too excited about it. Let me know if you are. I don't really care about the green card. Let me know in the comments below what you think. So now the issue when losing points really comes into play is when you decide you want to cancel a card. If you don't have use for a certain American Express card, and let's say it's your only one, and you want to cancel it, that's when you're at risk when your points could be lost. So if the annual fee is too high for you on this Amex card and you don't want to pay it and you decide to cancel, you essentially lose all of your Amex points in your account. Although you do have a 30-day grace period to use those points once you cancel, but that is not the option to go. I'll share with you some better options rather than just canceling your Amex card because of the annual fee. So let me give you a scenario here. Let's say you have the American Express Platinum card, which has a annual fee of $550. Let's say you're not using these benefits. The annual fee is way too high. You don't see yourself using this card much in the future, and you don't have any other Amex cards, and if you were to cancel this card, you would lose all of your points in your account. But if you decide to downgrade the card to, let's say, the gold card, then your points stay alive. Now, the only problem here is that if you downgrade it to the gold card, you'll miss out on the gold card sign-up offer. Because anytime you downgrade a card, you're not going to get that sign-up offer. You're pretty much getting the card with all of its benefits, but you're not going to get that sign-up offer. And if you were to do that, the gold card offers 50,000 American Express membership reward points. So if you downgrade to the gold card, you're missing out on 50,000 points. You don't want to do that. 50,000 points could be really valuable. And if you were wondering, you can't just transfer your Amex points to a spouse, a friend, anyone living in your house. Amex doesn't work that way. But here is what you can do. So if an annual fee is the issue for you, you can open up no annual fee cards. So you can open up the American Express Blue Business Plus card, which has no annual fee, or the Amex Everyday card. So the strategy here is if you have one of these no annual fee cards open first, and that's the card that you plan on keeping forever, because any card that has no annual fee, you're better off just keeping forever. Don't ever cancel it. If you're not using it, just make sure you keep it forever to help with your credit history. So now that you have this no annual fee Amex card, anytime you decide to cancel one of the other more higher annual fee cards, or if you're not going to use all the benefits of those cards, you cancel the card and then your points stay alive with this no annual fee card. But first, it's really important to make sure that your card is linked first. This no annual fee card is linked first to your Amex points before canceling your other card, just to make sure that your points don't get lost. And I just wanted to touch upon two other rules when downgrading American Express cards. So if you decide to downgrade your American Express card, you don't care about the sign-up offer like I mentioned before, then there are two rules here. You're not allowed to downgrade a business card to a personal card or a personal card to a business card. They have to stay the same in their own categories. So you can't downgrade a business platinum card the business platinum card to a personal gold card. That can't be done. Personal has to stay with personal, business has to stay with business. And the second rule is that you can't product change from a charge card to a credit card or a credit card to a charge card. So American Express has two different types of cards: charge cards in one category, credit cards in the other category. So an example of a charge card would be the platinum card, gold card. Example of a credit card would be the everyday preferred card. So you can't downgrade or product change between those two. Charge cards stay with charge cards, credit cards stay with credit cards. Now, if you don't want to downgrade, you don't want to get another no annual fee Amex card, you don't want to keep your points alive, you're going completely Dave Ramsey on credit cards and just want to get rid of it. You don't want it. The next option would be to transfer to partners. So assuming you have a credit card or charge card that could transfer to American Express transfer partners. There's 21 of them, plenty of airlines and hotels to choose from. So here's a list of the transfer partners, the transfer ratio, and how long approximately it takes to transfer. If you're getting rid of your card, make sure that you transfer your points to either one of these partners first. Ideally, you want to make sure that it's a partner that has availability for a flight you want to book in the near future, ideally right away, because if you don't, then your points will sit there and wait. But if you are going to use that airline, you just want to get rid of your points, it's time to cancel the card, get rid of it, then yeah, transfer to one of these partners. Just keep in mind that once you transfer your Amex points to one of these partners, all transfers are final. You can't transfer them back to Amex, or you can't transfer to another partner. Like if you were to transfer to Delta, you can't transfer to British Airways or to Hilton or anything like that. Once you transfer it to the partner, your points to the partner, it's final. It stays in that loyalty program account, and the points will be subject to those expiration rules. So for example, if you were to transfer to Hilton, for example, you have 36 months until those points expire, because those are Hilton's expiration point rules. So it has nothing to do with Amex anymore once it goes into those transfer partner loyalty programs. So have you ever decided to cancel an Amex card, downgrade an Amex card because you didn't want it anymore and you're able to keep your points alive, or did you lose your points? Let me know down in the comments below what your experience was. And if you want to learn the best ways to use your Amex points with transfer partners, click this video over here. It's less than 5 minutes, or you could click this Amex playlist down here with the best strategies, and I'll see you in the next video.